Hi everyone, happy Sunday. So we're here at the UP Cebu campus. This is the open field with still this roofing still attached. Um, we just recently concluded our commencement exercises here in UP Cebu. But what I want to show you is something common during graduation season. Notice those. Those are sunflower plants. So, I don't know, lapitan natin. The ground is a bit soggy because there was rain a while ago. So, but lapitan natin. And these are the sunflowers we have. Common na common to basta graduation season ng isang UP campus. Tinatamnan talaga to ng mga sunflower. So, medyo late lang na natamnan to mga sunflower kaya medyo maliliit pa ang mga sunflower na to. Ito. Tapos, ito may mga medyo mature na. Ito. Ayan. O, ayan yung tanda na may graduation na gaganapin sa isang UP campus basta may sunflower. Ito, I think these are medyo mature na to. Parang ito magiging ano na to. Parang pod ng isang sunflower na may buto. O, diba? So, I was a bit curious lang what's the significance of the sunflower sa graduation season dito sa University of the Philippines. So, according sa aking nakita rito, basta raw may sunflowers sa mga UP campuses, para siyang, tanda nga siya ng graduation season sa UP. Pero para siyang yun nga ang according sa sa website ng PUPS, ayan, the sunflowers depicting the sun symbolizes hopes and dreams of the graduating students. So yun raw yung parang tanda na may bagong uusbong na pag-asa dito sa isang UP campus. No, kung sino man yung mga graduates dito, so yung nakipagtapos rito sa UP, yun yung magbibigay pag-asa sa bayan, diba? So yun, yan lang po. I hope you enjoyed this video and this is in another video. Bye.